In this video, I will demonstrate how to import an email directly from Outlook. Please note that you need to have Outlook installed locally and open on your PC. Firstly, you need to place the required email or emails into a FileStream folder in Outlook. Any emails added to this folder will be available to import from FileStream. Now let's head to our FileStream in tray. Navigate to the Input-Output ribbon, and there you will find the Import Email button. If you select the drop-down arrow, we can see the various email options that are available to us. From here, we can select the attachments either as part of the email or as separate documents when we import them. We can look at the file formats. We can give the email a different name other than the automatically generated one if required. There are delete options, so we can select that we'd like to delete any messages from Outlook after importing them. And you can also add a subject append if required. When you've finalised your options, select OK, and then select the Import Email button. As you can see, the two messages that we put into our FileStream in tray are now available to import. If I select Import Email, and then press OK, you can see that they have appeared in my in tray. If I go back to Outlook and look in my FileStream in tray, the messages are no longer there because we selected the option to delete them upon import. If you require any more assistance, please do contact us on support@filestreamsystems.co.uk.